Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we're going to fix the Battle.net error. A very common network-related issue that stops games like Warzone, Overwatch, Diablo, and WoW from launching. If you're facing this error, don't worry, I've gathered the most reliable fixes that actually work. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to support the channel. It really motivates me to bring you more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into the solutions. Fix 1. Run Battle.net as administrator. It sounds simple, but it often works. Right-click the Battle.net icon and choose Run as administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to launch properly. Fix 2. Update your graphics drivers. Go to the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If you use NVIDIA, I recommend installing the GeForce Experience app. Open it. Go to Drivers. Download the latest game-ready driver. Having the latest drivers can prevent crashes and launch issues with Battle.net games. Fix 3. Install the latest Windows updates. Open your system settings. Go to Update and Security and make sure your system is fully updated. Unupdated or outdated system components can cause Battle.net errors. Fix 4. Reset your network adapter. This fix surprisingly works very well for network-related Battle.net errors. Go to Windows Search. Type Control Panel and open it. Go to Network and Internet. Then select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and disable it. Wait a few seconds and right-click again to enable it. This forces Windows to refresh your network settings. Once your internet is reconnected, you can close everything and reopen Battle.net. Start the Battle.net app normally and try logging in. In most cases, the error goes away after following these steps. If the error persists, comment and I'll personally help you find the correct fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.